Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Rahul Chora and today we are going to see the corner command in Creoparametric. So let's be with me, and if you have this Creoparametric software, so just open it. If you don't have the Creoparametric software, so how to download in free the Creoparametric software. The video is available on my channel, and you also get the video link in description as well as on my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get started. After opening your Creoparametric software, just click on the file, take the new file, in the subtype as the part type and subtype as a solid, and then untick this and click on OK. Okay, just click on millimeters, all operations to be performed in millimeters. The system is generated this interface. Okay, here are different planes, front of right planes are here. Click on the front plane, and in the model tab here is the sketch command. Okay, and then just click on the sketch view. Now in the sketch view, today we will see this command. Here is corner command is here. For understanding this corner command we required some drawing, so let's draw any drawing. Take this center rectangle, take the first point and draw this rectangle. Select the another one point over here, and then move aside and just press middle mouse button of your mouse, then again click. Okay, dimensions are automatically generated over here. Click on the sketch and again take this circle command. Take this center and point from the center. Okay, drag up to here. Okay, like this, and click over there. Circle is drawn. Click move aside and double click middle mouse button. Okay, the sketch is drawn. Click on the sketch. Next, this command we will see today. Okay, corner command. So first of all, for understanding this command, just click on this delete segment command. Delete this line. Okay, now if we in condition we don't have line over here, okay, or some missing lines are there, or by mistakenly delete. So for drawing this line from this to this by this corner point, I will show you. So just click on this corner command, and what the system is asking, select two entities to trim. Okay, so this is the first entity and this is the second entity. Here you can see after selecting both entities, the line is automatically get closed. Okay, so this is the magic of this command, automatically closed the line or the drawings. Okay, so this is all about this, how to use the corner command in Creoparametric. So hope you understood this command, and if you are new on this YouTube channel, so kindly subscribe the channel and share it to your friends, because you will get all video commands for single video for single command only on my YouTube channel.